It's on fire, dude. What's up, guys and girls? Welcome to the vlog. We're out here at Buttonwillow Raceway, and I gotta tell you guys, Edmond has an issue. He has a serious problem. We get an exclusive invitation to come out to Buttonwillow and race cars like that blue Porsche right over there. But this guy has the audacity to show up to an all Porsche event in his Lamborghini Super Trofeo. I don't know what to do with this guy anymore, guys. What are you doing here with your car? Why did you bring this car to an all Porsche event?
I don't have an answer for that.
Well, guys, we're gonna go out there. We're gonna have some fun with a Lamborghini at an all Porsche event. Get ready, buckle in. We're going for a ride.
I think this is one of the coolest features on my car. This air jack that it has, air compressor, put it in here, and the car lifts up. Fastest way to change tires, obviously, on a race car. Shout out to US Racetronics for hooking me up, swapping my tires out every time I come out to Buttonwillow. They're my private race team. I told you guys before that it cost me $10,000 every single time I take my car out. This is why. There's a team of 4 people working on the car, and they just discovered something that I hadn't seen. They take the entire car apart, all the panels apart, they inspect everything. And had I gone out on the track without them inspecting the car, I might have crashed. Here's why. Look at that. My brake pad on the front left, driver's side front, it's completely shattered, so I'm hoping they have a new brake pad inside. They can swap it out. Add it on to the bill, I guess. That's probably, I don't know, another 500 bucks, so 10,500 bucks today. Fun. But had they not been here, I would have wrecked a $400,000 car. So this is why race cars need extra attention every single time. It's not like a normal car. A normal car, brake pads on that wouldn't just shatter like that. The compound on these brake pads is way different than anything I have on my GT3 RS. All right, while the guys are fixing my car, which should probably take about an hour, we're gonna go check out some of the cars over here. The good news is, I found another buffoon out here. I'm not the only buffoon out here that brought a different make car over here. There's a Viper of all cars, right?
Go figure. And there he is.
Because, yeah.
There he goes.
Must be because you're here. Let's go check out some of the cars.
All right, Ben, we're here to check out your car. You've got a garage, it's beautiful. He has electric scooters, they're awesome.
Yep.
And so is Ben. Ben, tell us about your car. Show us around. What do we have here?
Sure. So this is a Multimatic Mustang GT4. They start out with Mustang body in white, basically build a race car around it. What I love about it is it's actually really friendly to drive. Like, it doesn't do anything weird. It's stable and neutral. You turn it in there, it takes the set. You hit the brakes, the thing stops.
Wow.
It sounds good, and it's really fast.
It's against all rumors that Mustangs are not great track cars, because this one is sure in the hell is.
This is an amazing track car.
Absolutely.
I mean, I've driven all sorts of stuff.
So I know what that is back there, but the viewers may not know. So what is this back here?
This is called a dry brake. And basically, if you need to fuel the car up in a hurry, you have a fuel tank and a recovery tank, and you plug it into that, and you can dump fuel into the fuel cell that's in there, and when it's full, it just comes into the recovery tank. When you pop it off, everything seals up so that you don't get any fluid leaks or anything.
You could fill up about 5 gallons in about 5 seconds, no joke.
Yeah, and they have a 31-gallon fuel cell in the back, so you can run this thing for like an hour, 20 minutes.
Wow.
It's
31-gallon fuel cell.
The idea is roughly you want to be able to drive it until the tires are worn out, and then you come in and refuel and swap tires all at once. And
Amazing.
easily swap drivers.
Let's check out the interior.
Please.
We've got suede inside.
Exactly, leather, Alcantara. No, you have none of that. Actually.
Wow, this is incredible.
It is all race car in there.
Ben, this is something. You guys see his cooler back there? He's got some beers, some cold ones back there, some brewskis. Not your grandma's Mustang, I'll tell you that much. Ben, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
It's been a great pleasure to chat with you. We're gonna see Ben around more often. I'm gonna grab his phone and we're gonna have some good track days with Ben as well.
Awesome.
Ben, pleasure.
Ready for this?
Ready as never lift. It's on fire, dude.
It's not on fire.
Huh? No, everything's fine. Everything is fine. Nothing happened to the front splitter. We're good. Hell yeah. That's it. Attaboy.
So, I just gave Andre a few laps for the very first time. We spun it, but that's what happens when you never lift.
Never lift.
Yeah, one sec. Never lift. About, I don't know, like 50 feet before the turn, right before I turned in, I'm like, yeah. The car's gonna go sideways.
To everyone that was watching us
planting.
live,
Yeah.
you guys are gonna watch this YouTube video later on, but I put the camera down so everyone thought something happened, but we were just laughing our asses off. My bad.
So what'd you think of it, bro? What was
That
your
was
initial
insane,
reaction?
insane.
Really?
I've been to the track many times. I've raced the life out of my car too, you guys know that, but this thing is on a next level, guys. I mean, that was crazy. The braking, the acceleration.
If there's one thing that stands out a lot, What is it?
The braking was so aggressive. I mean, you don't think he's gonna stop in time.
Yeah.
And then he smashes the brake pedal and the entire car jerks forward.
Oh man, this is fun. This is so much fun. So much fun. I can't wait to start racing professionally. You got a bonus sweater on, so I got to put on for AJX. You know, this used to be one of our customers. What happened, bro?
Wow.
Got him!
Going home.
Even when it's busted.
Maybe call.
All right, dudes. So the Porsche's wheel busted, and that's the end of the track day.
Yep.
So we got a vehicle fire today and a busted
We had a
wheel.
car caught on fire.
Race cars. How the hell does a wheel on a race car just crack in half? That's insane. Should we title it "My Lamborghini Caught Fire at the Racetrack"? Should we do that? That's clickbaity?
I don't know, because it did catch on fire for half a second.
Let's roll with it. Once. I'm gonna clickbait you guys slightly once.
Luckily, this is the outro.
Yeah, technically, it did catch fire, right?
It did.
It did catch fire. So, you mean to say it got totaled? It caught fire.
It did. And we were actually live when it happened.
Oh yeah,
That's
the
crazy.
best part. Yeah, so we'll put that up there.
We'll clip that in there too.
Dude, this was fun, man.
This is
Thanks
great.
for coming out with me. So
This
much
was
fun.
fun.
with you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Next time, GT3 RS against the ACR on the track. Who's gonna win?
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna.
You don't
You're
got
not
a
gonna win,
chance.
bro. Comment below, guys. Who do you think's gonna win? My twin turbo GT3 RS, my 801 wheel horsepower, insane aero GT3 RS, or Andre's 900 wheel horsepower ACR, which also has pretty good aero.
Yeah.
Not as good as mine, but good enough.
I think he took my aero package and mocked it onto his. That's what I really
Not
think
at all.
happened. MFR, you can comment below too. I love you guys too, by the way.
Absolutely did not happen. We should take your car to M4 and have them hook it up. Get a
yeah.
real aero kit. See you guys
It
tomorrow.
was fun. See y'all later.
Ciao. There we go. No, you gotta say ciao.
Ciao.
There we go. You got it this time. Later, dudes.